Hi, my name is Sean Fournier, Product Specialist for Dryspin lead screws at IGUS, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between lead screw pitch and lead screw lead. When working with lead screws, one thing I've noticed that often confuses engineers is the difference between pitch and lead. In reality, the difference is quite simple. Pitch is the distance from one thread on the screw to the next, while lead is the distance of travel per rotation of the screw. But why does this cause so much confusion? The answer lies in the involvement of multi-start or high helix lead screws. While most industry standard screws like Acme or trapezoidal have one thread start that just goes around and around and around, high helix screws utilize multiple thread starts to achieve faster linear travel. With this, for every additional start, the travel distance per rotation is increased. For example, a one-start screw with a 5mm pitch has a lead of 5mm. They're identical. But a 10-start screw with a 5mm pitch has a lead of 50mm of travel, or about 2 inches. It is important to know when speccing in a lead screw that lead is the most important thing to consider over pitch, because lead has a direct influence on back drivability, max speed, and drive torque. For help selecting the right lead screw for your application, check out our online lifecycle calculator, and for general information, click the links below.